Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is the Prius video. Oh, hi, what's up?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Well,
you got your coffee today? Let me grab mine.
No, it's not coffee.
Oh.
This is actually all of the oil that came out of a 2002 Toyota Corolla. That,
what?
Yeah. Started making noise in Los Angeles, and they wanted to get home, so they drove it home and brought it in today, 12 hours, to have us look at it. And this is all of the oil that was in it.
Are you freaking kidding me?
No, that's it. It ran all the way from Los Angeles.
That's should be what, 4.5 quarts of engine oil?
Yeah, it should be. Instead, I think this is 16 ounce, probably not even a 16 ounce cup. 12 ounce cup.
Holy guacamole. Well, let's go look at that baby.
Toyota Tough.
That's Toyota Tough.
Yes.
Because it still made it here.
No, and now that it has oil in it, it's perfectly quiet.
And what is LA to our humble county? That's like
12 hours.
12 hour.
Is it 700-800 miles?
Wow. Toyota quality. Let's go see the car. This is unreal.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And it made a noise. And
are you seriously telling me it's running?
now it's quiet as can be. What'd it take? 4 quarts? Or 4.5?
Yeah.
4.5.
Yeah, that was my guess, 4.5. I first wanted say 4, but I'm like, no, I think this is 4.5.
Now it's nice and quiet.
So like the Corvettes, they were doing, oh, look how our engine is not shaking. You could put a quarter. That was the special engine from Lotus, right?
Yeah, I remember that.
You can basically do this here.
Yeah.
This can't be real.
But there it is.
If this doesn't prove that Toyota makes the best cars in the world and most tolerating abuse, right?
Oh, for sure.
Tolerating abuse.
Definitely neglect. Definitely neglect.
Holy cow.
That's probably a 10K oil change.
But if you think about it, how many people check their oil anymore when they're at the gas station?
Yeah, yes, that's correct.
This is a good outcome because it's still running, but this could have ended very differently.
That's true.
Just due to, a little bit of preventive maintenance of checking the oil every couple gas ups, it would have not gotten to this point.
And now, last point of discussion, this is not the oil burner engine, right? That was the other one which came after it,
This is
right?
probably an extended interval that looks like 10K on that oil because there's no leaks anywhere. So they burned it.
Yeah, no leaks, burned, disappeared. Wow.
Little maintenance goes a long way.
Anyway.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. I will look inside. This baby runs absolutely smooth. There's no hesitation. It came with the engine noises. And you guys know why, right? Why it had the engine noises? Well, because there was no oil to run that VVTi. How this vehicle survived its own death, how these cars are able to take this abuse, it's absolutely unbelievable. Corolla LE, if this doesn't prove that Toyota is the best car maker, then what else proves that? This is unbelievable. And of course we know the Toyotas are incredible, and I many times mention how they are tolerant to the abuse by the owners. Not just the engines, also transmissions. How many times we found these absolutely nasty fluids and the owner has no clue because they came for something else and they just keep driving, never change the fluid for 180,000 miles, and only because I go through the things I have to bring it up to their attention that that fluid needs to be changed too. So wow, that Corolla to come with big knocking, rattling in the engine, have a small cup of coffee size of engine oil left, They did change the oil filter. They put 4.5 quarts of correct oil, and it's absolutely quiet and smooth. Wow. What do you think? Share your stories in the comments, please, so we can grow this Toyota community successfully. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumb up and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. How soon? Well, I'm just making video on this one, so I'm serious. There will be another video immediately next day. See you later, my friend.